Some of the cutest clothes on Pinterest are not even new clothes. They're old clothes with a second chance. And honestly, that's kind of iconic. Today, we're scrolling Pinterest, looking at creative upcycling ideas that turn ordinary clothes into stylish, high-end looking pieces without spending a fortune. I found all of these ideas while scrolling Pinterest, and some of them are so clever they made me look at my donation pile, like, wait a minute, ma'am, get back in the closet. From cozy, oversized transformations to trendy patchwork looks and creative denim flips, these ideas are giving expensive boutique energy on a thrift store budget. I also linked my Pinterest board down below if you want to look through the inspiration pictures and patterns for yourself. While you're watching, I want you to vote in the comments and tell me which idea is your favorite, because once we hit 100 votes, I just might recreate the winning project in my own style. All right, grab your coffee, your fabric scissors, and maybe that shirt you swore you were going to donate 3 years ago, because these upcycling ideas are way too good to ignore. The more I scroll Pinterest looking at upcycling ideas, the more I realize creative people see the world completely differently. Most people look at an old shirt and think trash bag, donation pile, cleaning rag, goodbye forever. But creative people look at that same shirt and see a future jacket, a cute tote bag, a trendy patchwork top, or something that looks straight out of a little boutique shop with a ridiculous price tag attached to it. That's what I love about the hidden treasure mindset, because once you start thinking this way, you can't unsee it. Suddenly, every thrift store starts looking like a giant craft aisle. Old jeans start looking like handbags. Oversized men's shirts start looking like dresses. Fabric scraps start looking like details that could completely transform a boring project into something amazing. It honestly changes the way you see creativity, and it makes fashion way more personal and fun. I think a lot of people forget that style does not come from how much money you spend. It comes from imagination. Some of the most beautiful pieces are made from things other people overlooked. That's powerful. It's also proof that creativity can turn ordinary things into something unforgettable. If you love videos like this and you enjoy creative inspiration, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, because we are constantly finding fun ideas while scrolling Pinterest together. Also, down in the description, I link tutorial videos from previous projects and other creative ideas if you want even more inspiration after this video. Sometimes all it takes is one idea to spark something amazing. And honestly, that old piece of clothing sitting in the back of your closet might be the next project that turns into your favorite thing you've ever made. Alright, keep watching because I picked another fun video for you right here, and I'll see you